that box.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls, we the passion, put passion. Ooh, Widgets, you'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Widgets, yeah, styling how we feel.
Hey guys, it's your beauty Mindy, and today we're back with a whole nother video. Now it's been a while since I did some unboxing of Apple product, but today we got the latest iPad out. Don't play with it. It is so big, it is so massive, it's so cute. And if you're running for the price, it was $1,400 and something. I don't remember. But look at that box. Look at that box. Let's compare it to my hair real quick. So just imagine from the bottom of my chin and up, it is a massive iPad. This is the iPad Pro 13-inch. I'm still learning about this iPad. I don't know too much about it. I just know I bought it in the store. I was like, I want it and I got it. So let's go ahead and open that box. When I bought it, the lady set it up right in front of me so that, you know, it could be set up when I go home. I don't have to worry about all the extra stuff, and I don't have to call them asking them what should I do. Anywho, voila. Don't mind the fingerprints on it. I was already playing on it with my Cheeto fingers, but here you see it has two cameras on it. Very cute. Right here looks like an advanced iPhone 11. And you can see I have to hold this with two hands. I can hold it with one hand, but do you see how it looks? So let's hold it with two. That's how it looks when I hold it with two hands. Something cute, little cute Christmas gift to me. Happy Vlogmas. Don't ask me why I keep going cross-eyed. So here's how the iPad looked when I got it. And basically it looks a little basic. So we're gonna clean this up and we're gonna make it look like what I want it to look like. So first, I already made my wallpaper, so let's go ahead and just input my wallpaper inside of here. Let's see, wallpaper, set a new wallpaper, photos. This one, I think that's so cute. Hold on, I don't want it to be blurred out though. But I think this is so cute, and we're gonna make the words like kind of a darker blue. I understand what blue they're going for, but I'm going for like a more undertone blue. Something that kind of matches my hair color, but not as dark. Maybe. I think that, let's see, let's try different colors. I don't know, it doesn't go well. Let's do purple. Wow, okay. Didn't know purple was such a perfect color. Maybe a darker purple? No. Purple looks like what we're gonna choose is gonna be purple. Or like I said, a bluish. Like something, I don't want it to be too bright. And I don't want it to be too dark either. So sliders. Let's just try to just pinpoint this on my hair really quick. Let's get a good color of my hair. See, it's too dark, so I guess we're gonna have to go like with a cute little purple and basically make the font thin and cute. I don't know which one I'm doing. I think this one is the cutest though. So, so here will be my wallpaper, customize home screen. I just wanted to have a little blur to it, that's all. So now should be my lock screen. Okay, very cutesy, very demure. Let me show you guys from my POV. Let me turn the brightness down. Here's my POV of my iPad. So I think it's really cute, very cutesy. It has my cute little photos in it. It does look something like a notebook or newspaper, and I think that is the kind of look we are going for. Something's not right. You can kiss my goodbye. There we go. That's more like it. Now we're gonna go in with a couple of photos of me. So we're gonna go ahead and make us some widgets with the photos that are on my wallpaper. We want them to be very cutesy. We're just gonna make a lot of widgets with the me on them. The widgets look so small on here. Okay, we got 4 things up here. Some of these apps I don't want on my home screen or on my iPad at all. Okay, the next thing I want to add is some Pinterest photos that are pink and, I'm not pink, that are purple and blue. Okay, now that I got some stuff on here, I'm gonna add some more stuff. Add just like a whole bunch of widgets. Okay, maybe I might keep these all on one screen. Not really sure yet. Okay, maybe not. I'm gonna keep two. This is gonna be over here. I don't even know why I did all that. I want to leave this Your World, Shadi, and that girl on this page. And on this screen, I'm going to use this one and this one. And I think it's going to be set up exactly like that. How is this one set up? Yeah. And then some of these apps, just delete, remove from home screen. Let's see. Okay, so far this is what we have. So far we can do that like that. So far that's what I have, and then I want like a YouTube button on there somewhere, something very cutesy and demure. So we're just gonna go ahead and search up YouTube button. Yeah, this is a cute one. Oh, okay, I know what I want. How do I want this to look? Okay, let's try. Extra large widget. And then this one, what would it be? This is cute.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay, we're just gonna add a big old widget at the bottom. Okay, okay, this is a cute little layout. I think it is very cute. Let's put the editing stuff right along with the editing stuff. No, not this. Some of the social media stuff. Okay, so the way that I decorated feels kind of basic, but I feel like it'll do for now. I think it's like really cute and like basic, very cute and basic. A cute little black and white effect. Very cute black and white effect. Plus the wallpaper. It's my first time having like this kind of iPad, so here's the wallpaper. So it's my first time kind of having this iPad and this big of an iPad, and yes, I do feel like that girl, and yes, I am that girl. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby. If you don't know me, you know me now. It's your beauty, it's me, and if it's your first time seeing me, don't make it your last. But I just have a few more things to say about the iPad. The camera is not up here. In fact, it's right here. So I mean, if you want to take a proper picture, you would take it like this, or if you take it like this, it'll look a little weird. You just gotta adjust it to make it look like it's normal. I also have a back camera, so and two at that, so you can do like whatever kind of photo you want. I need to go get a case for this, also a new band for my Apple Watch. You know, it has to be picking something cute. I did get my Apple Watch new as well. I have not decided on a wallpaper exactly for my Apple Watch. I just put like a quick photo of me. But yeah, I really am loving this, and I guess I'm gonna try to take content creating to another notch with this one. Now that I know I can like record reels on here, let's see. Yeah, I can record reels on. I can record reels on here, and it has very great quality. I'm gonna show y'all guys. I can record reels on here and stuff, and I feel like the quality is great for the iPad, and like I could turn it this way, which is where I get the best quality. I feel like I get the better quality. As far as the like back camera, I'm gonna do this right here because I'm not. Yeah, so this is what the back quality looks like if you're watching the video and you see it. It has different types of it has different, what's it called, like it has two cameras, so I'm assuming that it has like different settings, and it says a sensor. I think it's a camera, but we'll see. You can't do 0.5 on here, not from what I'm seeing. But it does have like a lot of, I don't like that the camera is on the side because like I said, when you record like this, it looks weird. But I'm back in my Apple girly mode. Like I used to get all the iPads and stuff and all like that, and now I have my iPad, I have my Apple Watch, and I have my phone and all that stuff like that. So now I'm back into my Apple stuff, and this time we went big. So yeah, if you want to go get this iPad, go run and get it. I suggest it highly. It's very big though, so I would say it's like an adult iPad. It's nothing for like kids because one, and it's gone. So I would say like it's kind of an adult iPad. It's not something for a kid. They do have these like in the 10th generation kind of, and they're like colorful, so you know, like more of a kid style. If they had this in pink, I would have got it, but they only had silver and like this darkish color, which I think is what I got. Only have the darkish color. So yeah, I mean, I'm satisfied with the color that I have. It's very like flat. It's not thick. It's not bulky or anything like that. I just need to hurry up and get a screen protector in a case and stuff like that. But I just wanted to come up here and make a quick little cute little video. So if you don't know me, you know me now. Like I said, I'm Beauty's Benita. If it's your first time seeing me, don't make it your last. And if you watch me, you know that's my memo. Anyways, tune in for the next video. It's either be a story time or something else, babes. We'll see you next.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls with a passion.